Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the fantastic Tech Edition specification. So as the name suggests, this car's loaded with great features including park assist. There's also active city brake, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.